If you run a dropshipping store but also store products in a warehouse, even temporarily, you could be sitting on thousands of dollars in risk. Let's talk about how Next Insurance can protect that inventory. Even with careful handling, warehouses aren't risk-free. Fires, floods, theft, or even accidental damage can destroy your stock. And if you're paying suppliers upfront, that loss can hit hard. Without the right coverage, you're replacing it out of pocket. Next Insurance offers business property coverage. That's designed for situations like this. It protects your inventory whether it's in your own small storage unit or a rented warehouse space. That means if your stock is damaged, stolen, or destroyed in a covered event, your insurance can help pay for replacements. They also offer goods in transit coverage, so you're protected while your products are on the move from supplier to storage or storage to customer. With affordable monthly plans and quick online sign up, you can get coverage tailored to your dropshipping business in just minutes. No complicated paperwork, no hidden fees. Your inventory is the lifeline of your store. Don't risk losing it. Click the link in the description to get your quote from Next Insurance today and make sure your warehouse stock is fully protected.